All right, I wanted to give you guys a little walkthrough of MunchAI. It is a tool that can help you create YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels, and even LinkedIn posts. You can use a long form video that you either upload from your computer or from YouTube, wherever you have it, and it actually works to put captions if you'd like and create really engaging short clips that you can use for Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. So you just go in, upload your video, you'll name your project to keep it organized for yourself. It'll ask you a few questions like you see here of what kind of video it is. And this is a free version that I'm showing you guys. They do have a free version of Munch, but they have a lot more features on their paid version that is actually one that I use for my own social media. Now, I wanted to show you this because I know a lot of people will probably opt for the free account, but just know you get a lot more options with the paid version. And it's pretty affordable in my opinion. So these are the clips that it created. It took about 30 or so minutes, I think a little shorter than that, for it to create these clips, but it created 10 short videos out of just a 4-minute video that I uploaded here. And it picks out the most engaging parts and pieces them together in a way where you literally don't have to do any editing, which is absolutely amazing because I know from personal experience, editing is a huge time suck. It can take a lot of time, especially if you're new to it. So this tool really does all the editing and the captions, as you can see here, for you. You can pick a style of the caption that you like. You can go back and edit any words if it got it wrong. There's so many features that you can do in here. You can pick the style of your captions that you can see here. And you can even, with the paid version that I really love that I use for my socials, you can even upload a brand kit. So your colors and all of your videos look the same. And MunchAI learns how you like your videos. So it creates videos how you like it based on your previous videos that you created with them. So really awesome features here. This is a really helpful tool, especially with saving time. With a paid account, you can remove the watermarks and even link your socials to post right from here. I found it to be very helpful for my business because it helps me put out a lot of content and save the time on the editing, which you need to grow your social media channels.